Team Keychron is back again with our 5th keyboard. Introducing K8, a versatile 10-keyless wireless mechanical keyboard. Designed with the most favored layout, with all the essential keys that's accessible with ease, but still compact. The K8 is perfect for completing your work, browsing for entertainment, and gaming, while enabling you to customize your typing experience effortlessly. With the K8 hot swappable version, you can alter every single switch in seconds without any soldering. Engineered with 2 switch types, the Keychron mechanical switch offers several switch options for an exceptional fingertip feel. Whether you prefer linear, clicky, or something in between, we've got you covered. Crafted for those who demand millisecond precision, you can type and play at warp speed with the optical switches. Compatible with Mac OS and Windows, the K8 is ideal for multitasking. You can connect the K8 with up to 3 devices via the latest Bluetooth 5.1 chip and switch amongst devices swiftly, or connect it to a device with a Type-C cable. A designated Siri or Cortana key can also make life easier. Comes with 15 RGB backlight options to deliver a colorful light show straight to you. 2 adjustable angled rubber feet that allows you to find a comfortable typing angle, and a 4000 mAh battery to ensure a constant power supply. Keychron K8, your ultimate wireless mechanical keyboard.
Once upon a time, phones mostly did this. But for the past 10 years, our phones have gotten super smart, and now they do this, and this. Yet, in that same 10 years, our phones have gone from here to here. Physical usability has not changed, and so all too often, we find ourselves suffering from this, and this. So, we made this, the Ohsnap grip. The thinnest, most durable, and most powerful phone grip ever. And just like that, it's there when you need it and not when you don't. Sure, you can use your phone like this, but the Ohsnap grip makes your phone better. And because it's quick and easy to slide your finger in the loop with one hand, you'll save yourself from a whole lot of this. It also rotates, so you always get the angle that works for your unique style. And unlike other grips, we made ours compatible with wireless charging. But that wasn't good enough, so we took wireless charging to the next level with Snap Charge, our magnetic wireless charger. It's designed to be where you need it, when you need it. It finds and aligns itself to the optimal charging spot, so you'll never have to deal with this anymore. This is the missing link we've all been waiting for, made possible by making it incredibly slim. So say goodbye to this. And for those times you want to do this, but it keeps doing that, we gave it a multi-angle kickstand. And because it's magnetic, it'll stick to this, or even this. Because it shouldn't be so hard to stick your phone wherever you want it. The steel ring that attaches to the back of your phone secures the grip with confidence while also protecting your phone from the magnets inside. The Ohsnap grip was designed to make life with your phone happy, productive, and carefree, and we want that for everybody. Which is why it works with all phones, all cases, and all hands. So no matter what, this grip is for you. I'm Dale Backus, founder of Ohsnap and creator of the Ohsnap grip. We're a small team obsessed with building the most beautiful, functional, non-annoying phone accessories in the world. Our first campaign was a success, but after shipping thousands of units, we realized we could do better. We're building an ecosystem of amazing products with this phone grip at its center, and this is just the start. For the price of a few lattes, you can hold, mount, stand, and secure your phone better than ever. So if that sounds good to you, and you're ready for a better smartphone experience, then back us today.